Orca. And at the skid, advising you to lose the target.
Okay, last target.
Alright, 450.
Alright,
I'm gonna have to stand by for a bit, sir. Forward 40, easy right. Keep coming right, forward 30. Keep coming right. Forward 20. That looks good left and right. Forward 10. 5. Easy right. 4, 3, 2, 1. Here. That's a pretty good spot, sir. Alright, ours is going out.
CSP unit on the ground, first year 14 on Calvert. Copy.
Looking great, buddy.
41, medical alert.
Ours is going out. We're drifting left and forward just a little. That's okay, don't make a big correction. It's gonna get pretty tight. Over halfway, there's a wave off. Easy right. Ours will be on the ground in 3, 2, 1, now. You staying on the hook? Got the door open? She's coming out. Older woman. Good thing she's got her purse. Looking good here, buddy. We're drifting forward just a little. They're still on the ground, looking great. Alright, she's stepping out with Brad right now. Easy back and right. That looks good back. I need you right 3. 2. Keep coming right and back. 1, right there. That looks good right. Hold it here. Ready to take the load. He's signaling for the left. Easy back. Take it in the slack. You have the load. Power check.
Power check, that's good.
Okay, start sliding right, buddy. Working great out here.
Sliding right, Roger. You want me to the road?
2 behind the high patrol vehicle. Right behind the high patrol vehicle, if you're okay with that. Looking good here. Slow and easy, slow. Forward 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here, slow down. Hold it right here. Good spot, buddy. Okay, they're going back out. Be down in 3, 2, 1. Down. Great job, Norm. Nice and smooth, buddy. Brad's off the hook. Hook is coming in, clear for forward flight.
Clear for forward flight. Good job, Susan.
You too, buddy.